Good morning. Today I want to do a little unboxing of a new product that I just got that I'm going to be using. And this is going to be a link in the description to this because the value of this is so incredible. But what I have here is the Samsung SSD 870 QVO. Now this particular drive is 8 terabytes. That's right, I said it. 8 terabytes, and it's in a really small box, okay? If you want to judge the size of it, here's a mouse. Okay, there's a mouse and the box. So let's open this up and see what you get inside. I know I'm going to be surprised by this. If you want a shot of the front of the case, it tells you what the transfer speeds are. And in this particular case here, the transfer speeds, the read speed is 560 megabytes a second, and the write speed is 530 megabytes a second. So if you do the math on that, you'll find out that it's a fast drive. Right now inside, when I take the wrapper off of this, there's an instruction manual, and for some reason, they've decided to seal the instruction manual, but that's okay. It's a nice looking instruction manual. It's got a QR code on it so that you can find out more about the drive. And they got the drive itself here. Now this is the physical size of the drive. I'm holding it in the palm of my hand, as you can see. I believe it's a SATA connection on here, so it'll go in any new PC that's around that takes a SATA connection, and most of them do today. It says it's a solid state drive. I will show you that. Solid state drive, Samsung. And on the back of it, it gives you information, you know, basic information if you take a look at it. Model number, serial number, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, I'm going to put a link in the description to this on Amazon where I bought this. Now this, in my opinion, is an incredible value. And if you're looking for some extra storage for your machine, or in this case, I have some files that I need to back up. I have about 7 terabytes of data I need to back up and save offline in a file cabinet. And that's exactly what I'm going to use this Samsung SSD 870 QVO drive for. So if you could take a minute to like and subscribe to my videos, it'll be helpful. But check out for the Amazon link. I'm an Amazon partner, so what will happen is if you buy this drive, I will make a small commission on it, but it in no way affects the price that you pay for the product. It just helps support my efforts here to bring new news and information to you about products that I feel you'd be beneficial to have and to try. So thanks, and have a great day, and happy holidays to you coming up. Bye-bye.